Electronics have become such a vital piece of the puzzle to catch more fish, whether it's the sonar capabilities that they have or the mapping. And I want to talk a little bit about the Lowrance HDS Lives and the Genesis Live feature where you can actually do your own live mapping. It's something that's been around for a little bit, but I think it's something that's not used as much as it truly should be. For instance, we're sitting here at the mouth of the Fox River in De Pere, Wisconsin, one of the most popular rivers to fish in the spring and the fall in the entire Midwest. Something that you would think on the chips that you have in your units, the mapping would pretty much be dead on. Well, before I started this here, what I actually did is I went up and down the river channel here at the mouth, and I actually used Genesis Live to actually truly map it out to see what the bottom looked like. Now, of course, it's going to show the break on both sides of the river channel, and everything's going to be somewhat similar. And it's really simple to do this. Basically, all you're doing is you're going to go into overlay and Genesis Live will be a feature. But you can see how much different this looks versus the mapping that was actually on there. And actually, what I noticed right away is how much sharper the break on the west side of this river channel was than on the east side, something that could hold more fish. So then you think about it and realize how important this Genesis Live could truly be. Very simple to use. Once you're on Genesis Live on overlay, you simply start driving around. You can go 7-8 miles an hour and your map will lay right out. So very, very cool stuff for mapping from Lowrance. Take advantage of it. You might find some spots that your buddies don't know about, and you can catch more fish than they do almost every single day.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.